Mangroves. Mangroves are a type of plant that spends half of its time in the sea and half of its time in the sunlight. Mangroves have small leaves, branches, flowers, and mangrove fruit growing on them. There are many different types of plants. Some are tall trees and some are small shrubs. Leaves. Each leaf has a tiny solar panel, dark on the top to soak up the sun's energy and to convert it into a chemical energy. With no canopy of the trees to protect the leaves, the upper surface has evolved to be hard, leathery and shiny to conserve water. Leaves have adapted by some leaves store salt, some leaves remove the salt. Roots. Mangroves have roots that come up from the soil because it is too hard to breathe. Mangroves have to grow in soft soil, or when the roots can't breathe, they will die. There are different types of roots. There is knee roots, stilt roots, and pin roots. Where do you find mangroves? Mangroves are found in estuaries. It is where the soil is damp and the tide comes in and out. An estuary is where the fresh water and salt water mix together. Mangroves grow in estuaries because the houses that live there have changed the soil in estuaries. How mangroves have adapted. Mangroves have adapted because any other plant will not survive in the sea and would die, but the mangrove has adapted and will survive. There are two ways that mangroves have adapted into their habitat. They are: the seeds of some kinds of mangroves start growing while they are still on the mangrove tree. The other one is mangrove seeds and seedlings can float in water. Pumetifours are vertical extensions of the root. They poke up through the soil at irregular intervals and carry air through the roots. Shelter in nursery. Mangroves are sheltered from strong waves when they are in estuaries. If waves were strong in the estuaries, the soft ground would wash away to sea, and the mangrove seedlings that are small would fall over and wash out to sea. Mangroves are the nursery of fish because it's where fish breed. Find what you find near or on mangroves. You find snails, crabs, birds, and lots of little insects. Hope you learned something about mangroves. By Zara, Wakaringa School.